Hi, my name's Mark Tucson. I am the Welcome and Riverside team leader here at Wisley Garden. I manage this area of the garden that we're in, and I'm also a beekeeper, and I manage this set of hives here. Yeah, so if you've got a small garden or like just a small window box even in a flat, things you can do to like really help the bee numbers are just to plant things that are good pollinators. So if you go into any garden centre, you'll usually find a little plant label, and on the plant label will be a little bumblebee sign that says RHS plants for pollinators. And anything with that symbol is really good for pollinators of all sorts, so bumblebees, honeybees, solitary bees, even down to some moths as well. So that's what the general person can do, I think, yeah. Bees need a natural food source at all times of the year. So when it comes to planting, it's always good to think about your planting plan and have like good source of pollen and nectar at all times of the year. This can be diverse, so from anything from like small shrubs through to large trees and plants. Yeah, that way you'll get like a real mix all together throughout the year.